Hi everyone. Welcome to another Hoopla story time. Today's story is called Christmas Cookie Day. Does your family make special cookies for the holidays? Yeah, we do too. What's your favorite cookie? That sounds good. I like anything with chocolate in it, especially chocolate chip cookies. So, there will be instructions for the adult who's with you to download the Hoopla app and the book, and then you can read the story together. And after you've read the story, then you come back to me and I'll show you a quick, easy craft that you can make. So enjoy the story. Did you enjoy the story? Yeah. And when you make cookies, do any of you make gingerbread cookies? Yeah, some of you? Okay, so I have a quick craft. I don't have to show you how to do it because it's real easy. And I will have some of these supplies here at the library if you want to come and pick them up and make one at home. So it's a little gingerbread man, and you can decorate him, put his eyes on, and some buttons and some ribbon. All right, and you can do this too if you want. Get your adult to help you. Did you hear the phone ringing in the background? I got interrupted, but I'm back. So this is something you can get an adult to help you with. You can even put a little mask on your gingerbread man, and then you look just like you when you go out. All right? Okay, I hope you enjoyed the story, and I hope you come and pick up some of the supplies to make your own gingerbread man. And you have a very Merry Christmas. We'll see you in the new year. Bye now.